Hey gorgeous, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your hype girl for all things hair magic. Now today we're diving into the universe of invisible locks. Now let me tell you something, whether you're a beginner braider, intermediate or experienced, this video has got you covered with simple steps, simple tutorials on how you can achieve these invisible locks. First things first, I know you're wondering, what are invisible locks? Well, invisible locks are a play on real permanent locks, only that these are not permanent, but they are super lightweight, they are medium sized, and they blend so seamlessly with your natural hair. People will swear they are real locks, as you can see in the video above. And the best part about this is their protective style. They lock in moisture, they reduce breakage, and they let your hair grow like it's on a mission. Yes, to length retention. Since I got my invisible locks done, my edges have come back from the abyss, y'all. Like less manipulation, more hair growth, plus they're low maintenance. All I do is spritz a little bit of oil and I keep it pushing. I'm telling you, you will thank yourself for getting this style, trust me. Now DIYers, grab your kits, follow these step-by-step tutorials and save your coins. But if you're like, no, I would rather sip some wine while someone else works, well, take this video to your stylist and I'm telling you, they will nail it, because it's just that simple. It is easy. I'm telling you guys, it's easy. Either way, you will end up looking chic and expensive. I know we all like to look expensive. If you're someone who likes to play around with color, or you just want the plain black that matches with your hair, this video has got you covered. We have some different color options for you to try, or just stick to the regular black, and different length options if you want something longer, shorter. It's all up to you. This video will give you the perfect examples of what you're trying to achieve. So are you team DIY or your team salon glam? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you'll be trying this by yourself or you're just gonna send the video to your stylist to do all the work. But either way, whilst you're dropping that comment, please don't forget to leave a like, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bells, because I'm telling you, the videos are coming back to back every Sunday. You don't have to look any further if you're trying to figure out, what am I going to do with my hair? We've got you covered. So let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know if you do try this style. Please let me know what you think about it, how you find the maintenance and all of the above. But for now, enjoy the rest of the video and see you next time. Bye.
you.